Everybody, Sticks here. I don't know what to do for the next video, but I'm looking through my old book and I'm finding all these faces, and it's Halloween. I mean, we could do some pumpkin faces, I guess, right? So, I guess we did put a lot of patterns on, right? So, I don't know. We gotta figure out something. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll do some drawing videos, make some patterns for you guys. I don't really have a lot of time yet to work on too many videos because I'm doing some projects in other places. Okay, but that's okay. I'm planning on retiring next year, and then I'll have time to focus on YouTube. But for now, I'm just trying to keep the channel going. If I don't post something sooner or later, they'll shut down my channel or something. So maybe I'll do some drawing videos, and maybe we'll get into doing some faces and Halloween stuff. We do have Halloween, I'm sure. I haven't even checked anybody. I haven't checked out Jordy or Rob or anybody to see what anyone's doing actually at the moment. So, but I will be probably trying to make some carving videos. I got to clean up a little bit more in here. I got a lot of stuff in here from moving stuff around, and we had a flood here. We had all kinds of stuff going on the past year, and now I'm kind of cluttered, and I got to move stuff around and prepare so I can do videos again. But I guess the best way to do it would be to maybe get some, what do you call it? Hold on. Get some drawing videos going, I guess. So that's probably what I'll do in this video for now, because I'm kind of at a loss with had all my stuff together at the moment. But it's good to be back. Hopefully I can get a couple videos for you guys, keep you interested, maybe post a couple of patterns and stuff. Like I said, it's going to depend on time. Right now I'm just kind of enjoying my coffee and checking out, saying hi to everybody. And it'd be good to see everybody again. I'd like to see Rob and Jordy and everybody. It's nice to see that people are still around. As you can see, I still am. Hanging in there. So, I will be posting soon. Thanks for all the comments. I'm glad to see everybody's here, like I said. And give me some ideas. I really want to do something different. I don't know what yet, but hope it hasn't been too boring without me. Because I know, you have to listen to Rob all the time. That just drives me crazy with that guy and his accent. I love you, Rob. You and your bears. But I don't know. What should we do? Give me, like I said, give me some ideas. I really want to do something different. I mean, of course, we can always carve wood spears. I can get the knives and chisels out again, too. But I want to do something crazy. I don't know what. I'm not sure yet. But I'm sure it will come to me. And I want to kind of spark things up again with kind of a bang, and, hopefully give everyone some new inspiration and give myself some new inspiration. I haven't sat down to carve, in a little while. So my hands are a little itchy for it myself. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, this is kind of like the intro before the next video. And to show everybody, like I said, that yes, I am still here. I'm fine. There's nothing wrong. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do next. I do get burned out when I do too much YouTube. So usually I post a bunch of vids, I get into it for a while, and then, life takes over and I just go about and do my thing. But I will always be back. I'll always keep the channel going. You don't have to worry about that. And hopefully we can come up with something new. I'm not quite sure yet. I've had a couple of things on the back burner in my head while I've been doing other things, so we'll see what happens. But it's always good to get some patterns going, I guess, though, especially for Halloween, so I might start off with a couple of those. So, glad to see everybody's okay. Glad to see people are still here on the channel. And sorry I'm gone, but that's me. I kind of come and go, But I never really go away. So, I'll see everybody soon. Take it easy. Bye-bye.